Hi, this is Lana Nguyen from the Century 21 Soul Team.
And Rich Kwok.
Welcome to our latest listing on 1712 Davis Street.
This apartment building features two two-bedroom units and two one-bedroom units. And if you're looking for a property that has great cash flow and huge upside potential, then this is it. So take a look at some of the units. Now, the nice advantage of this apartment is that all the windows have been upgraded to double pane. Now, in addition, some of the units have wall air conditioning units, which keeps it nice and cool in the summertime. And all the units usually have tile entryways, as well as new baseboards and new 6-panel doors.
Believe it or not, we're actually inside a one-bedroom apartment. Look at the spacious kitchen. It has a gas stove, which I love to cook on, granite countertops. The cabinets are upgraded, and then also all the units have inside laundry. It's centrally located near the freeways, Santa Clara University, and right by Santa Clara City itself.
It also features the Rose Garden nearby, and many people like it for its proximity to the new Google Megaplex.
Google Plex in Mountain View is about 3 million square feet.
We're here in the beautiful Rose Garden in San Jose. I wish you guys were here to smell all these beautiful roses. There's hundreds of varieties here. Lots of people come here for picnics. There's even a water fountain, and sometimes they have community events here.
The property is conveniently located next to software and high-tech companies like Apple, Google, and Nvidia.
It's also located just minutes away from the Children's Discovery Museum in Santana Row.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us. If you would like a private showing, please feel free to contact us or text us at the number on the screen.